Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I got Bentley here with me. He's not gonna say anything. So with the time change, it's been getting darker a lot earlier. It's also very cold outside, so we haven't been spending as much time outside. So we just wanted to put this video out and see if you have any questions for us. Excuse me, I ran tonight for 1 minute and 46 seconds and about died. Not literally, but I think I have asthma. Anyways, that's why my voice might sound a little crackly because I've been coughing a lot. And I'm probably going to do that a lot. Sorry. But we just wanted to see if there were any questions that you had for us that we could answer for you, maybe about eggs or the chickens or the goats or the ducks or my child, no, or the dogs. We're thinking about in the future showing how we make it a little easier to clip the dog's toenails because they absolutely hate it. If you've ever tried to clip a dog's toenails, you probably know. But just seeing what kind of things you're interested in, because we've got all kinds of stuff, and if we don't know, we can find out and we can show you. Haven't had a lot of opportunity to film new stuff. Usually just the weekends, and the weekends have been crazy here lately. Bentley has been going out though and getting eggs and feeding the ducks, giving them water every night. How many eggs do we normally get each night?
4 to 10.
And we did have 10 one night, so that was exciting.
There's 8 tonight.
There was 8 tonight?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I think there was.
How many of the like light colored ones were there?
I'll be back.
Oh, okay. He's gonna go check. So we have 16 chickens. 15. Yeah, last weekend we had was that last weekend? It might have been the weekend before. We lost one of our chickens. But we should have 13 of them laying. 6 light eggs?
Yeah.
Tonight?
Uh-huh. And 2 brown eggs.
Oh, the brown, like the brown ones. That's what I was saying. It was light. Oh, this is Molly. 2 of them. So at least 2 of the small brown chickens. I think they are golden comets. I think. I'm not really sure. Because when we got them, the guy was kind of just like, here, chickens. So I think they're golden comets.
When we got them, he just threw them into a box.
He wasn't very gentle with them. He was just kind of like tossing them. He wasn't throwing them. He was like tossing them. I think they're golden comets. And so we've got our like turquoise eggs that are supposed to be from our Americana chickens. I'm not really sure that I got all Americanas because some of the eggs are about the color of this wall back here. They're like a olive green color. And then now we've got these light pinkish brown eggs. You're making that jump.
I'm going to tell you about how many animals that we have in all. So we have 15 chickens, 2 ducks, 2 goats, and 2 dogs. So
3 goats.
Huh?
3 goats.
Oh, 3 goats.
Goats?
Goats. Okay, so we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 animals
That we care for on a daily basis. So, yeah, so if you have any questions about those 22 animals, or I don't
Me?
know. I mean,
if you want me to be in more videos,
if you have questions for us about us, we'd be happy to answer those too. I'm not sure what's going on. We're piecing. Welcome to our outro. Welcome to our outro. Welcome to our outro. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with us.
See ya.
It's over here.
Bye.
Hi guys. You can say hi.
Hi.
Welcome. Oh, I guess let's do that again.